Today, we will be testing the adaptive fisherized stochastic center of gravity indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
All right, as I said, today we will be testing the adaptive fisherized stochastic center of gravity indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 784 indicators, with 318 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 20 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today's indicator is the adaptive fisherized stochastic center of gravity. Quite a mouthful, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Let's see if we can't go in and do this. Just make these a tad bit more vibrant. Green for the buy and red for the sell. And so if we expand that out just a little bit there, now you can see that we have these little arrows right here. So we have a red arrow, we have a green arrow. Wish there was a way to make those larger, but unfortunately that's just not something that TradingView's system allows. And so nonetheless, we have these arrows here. Like I said, the green one and a red one. And as you can probably guess, when we pick up a green arrow, we are going to go long. When we pick up a short or a red arrow, we are going to go short. And so that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get that green arrow right there. We get a little bit of consolidation, kind of riding sideways, just kind of bouncing back and forth. And then we get a little bit of a push to the upside there. That is a spike to the upside. It wasn't able to kind of maintain that momentum up. You can see it spikes up and then pulls back, leaving that long wick there as the day closes out. But that was enough to get us up there to our take profit. And so let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here. We get that red arrow. And pretty much immediately we start to get a really nice push to the downside there, and that does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long right here on this one. Unfortunately, we immediately get a pretty solid drop to the downside, and that does come down and is going to stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, pick up a short right here on this one. We get a little bit of a push to the downside. That is enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Just barely hits our take profit before it then kind of curls up and starts to make that really heavy move to the upside there. But again, we did get our take profit out of that particular one. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, pick up a long right here on this one, and we get a really nice move to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit once again. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 1 year of testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join. You can join and take part in the discussions taking place in any of the other channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel specifically set up just for our patrons to join, and we give out some really nice advanced information for all the patrons to take advantage of. And so, for example, our admin Jay is doing a really great job of trading the futures market, and he's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance where he's looking to take trades. And so he'll have his entry, his stop loss, his take profit, stuff like that. And we'll often give like a write-up on kind of what it is that he was looking at or looking for, kind of where his head was as far as the chart and how he marked it up. We also have another member, Sasquatch here. He is an awesome Forex prop trader, and he's doing the kind of the same thing with charts where he's putting up charts marked up with areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even sometimes where he's looking to take potential trades. And so he'll have the entry, the stop, the take profit, stuff like that marked out. And we'll also kind of guide people along the way, help people out, give people advice, stuff like that. And same way with our admin Jay, put up handy videos like this where it has kind of whole trading systems kind of outlined in these particular videos. And so there's just a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel and joining us here on the Patreon only channel and being able to take advantage of all the information we're putting out. So highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. Get everything in focus there. All right, let's go ahead and count it out, see what we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we have 11 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades. And so that's barely going to meet that 60% criteria that we're looking for, but meets the 60% criteria nonetheless. All in all, a pretty reasonably okay indicator. Gave us 11 trades within the 1 year's time, and so that's not too bad. A few more would have been nice. Maybe another 5 or so would have definitely looked a lot better. But all in all, I mean, during this year of trading, we kind of had a really choppy market. The market wasn't moving a whole lot. And so I guess in that kind of instance, this indicator did rather well, was able to meet the 60% criteria, and it was calling out, some decent entries into the market, even though it was kind of choppy year and not moving a whole lot. And so all in all, like I said, not too bad. So this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.